Hi, I am Lenin. Today we will see the visualization technique which play an important role in memory management. To increase our memory power, we must know our mind. If we learn to control our mind, we can very easily control our memory. If we increase our memory power, we can score high marks in our examination. Not only in exam, to get success in our life, memory power is very essential. The foundation of memory management is based on 3 steps. Let us see what are those steps. Imagination. And the second one is visualization. And the third one is recall. Very, very important one. Let us see these things in detail now. Okay, this is our example. Hibiscus rosa sinensis. This is the botanical name of hibiscus. Please view the paragraph. In our kitchen cupboard, at top rack, there is a bottle filled with biscuit. It is in very high. Just remove this biscuit. We refill the bottle with rose, which is best for sinus problem. So, how we link this statement with our example? The word high is related to this part and the biscuit related to this biscuit and this rose related to this rose and sinus related to this one. So, in height, we saw one biscuit bottle is there. We replace that biscuit with rose. And it is best for sinus problem. To cure sinus problem, this rose is best. We have to create words in exact sequence. Every word should have a link. In our paragraph, high, biscus, rosa, sinuses. This all came in a particular sequence. The sentence you create may not have real meaning. Our need is to just link the word. This method is not only very useful for students, anybody can use it. Now the third one is recall. We can increase our recall power by the following methods. This is the best way to increase our recalling power. Just before you going to sleep, you have to recall all things from early morning till night in exact sequence. For beginners, it may be not possible. So you have to use diary and make notes periodically. After some month, you no need to take notes or use diary. You can able to recall everything. Not only you have to recall during night time, we must recall the subject in regular interval. That's why we are handling revision test in our school. Using our 5 senses, that is seeing, smelling, touching, hearing and feeling, taste, we can increase this 5 sense by certain exercises. If you increase the power of these 5 senses, it is sure you will have good concentration, good memory power and sharp brain. There are 15 simple exercises you can do to get these powers. It will lead you to a bright future. If you want good memory power, we should have good imagination, visualization and recalling power. This table can have vehicle number, company name and driver name. These vehicle numbers are mentioned already in invoice. But my manager wants to enter these two data in reference column of the invoice. So, how we can memorize these things? I don't want to use this table each time while entering the invoice. So let us see how we can easily remember these data. Just I differentiate the unit of these three columns. L, D, U, S, A. So just by remembering this one, we can easily remember all these data. But it seems it is very difficult to remember. Alright? We will see how to remember this one. If we face the situation to remember this one, how we can solve this one? Let us see now. C and U. We can read this one as C, no. It resembles the name of a person, C, no. So, while we see the letter C, we will remember the name Sinu. Okay? N stands for Nissan and U stands for Ola, the name of driver. Similarly, this one, DLS. We can link this one with the word delicious. D represent this one, and the L for Leyland and S for Sam. So whenever you see this vehicle number with D, you have to think the word delicious, and L stands for Leyland and S stands for Sam. Okay? And the third one is eBay. We can link this word with the word eBay. eBay. Everybody knows this word. And here this B stands for Benz and A stands for Abraham. So like this we can create anything we want. We have to visualize and we can solve any problems. Dream is not you see in sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep. So we have to select good dreams and visualize it. Every action you pretend as if you achieved your goal. One day you will see the miracle. Your dream comes true. Thank you.